Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate leads through KW Command on Facebook for crazy cheap, and all I ask is that you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, but don't smash it too hard because I don't want anyone breaking their phones today. So here we are in Command. If we go to the campaign section, we'll click on create a new campaign and click on social ad. Attract buyers, Facebook. We're going to name this campaign $2 leads, because that's about how much these leads will run, which is amazing. So don't waste your time doing other ads. Start with a model. This is what I call a model, and go from this and get creative. You don't need to select listing. The goal we just selected as buyer. Main ad copy. This is where you get creative. You can actually look at all the ads that anyone else is running, and I will show you a link to a video that shows you how to do that. And that way you can look at other agents that are running Facebook ads and see what they're running and get some ideas. I've looked at that, and I've been running ads for years, so I have a pretty good understanding. So let's as the main ad copy, let's put attention home buyers. Now this isn't just an ad for buyers. This is an ad for buyers and sellers, but the reason we say attention home buyers is because it just generates a better lead response. Attention home buyers. Don't drive yourself crazy driving all over town looking for the perfect home. Click below to get your personalized list of all the recently price reduced homes. Now, one thing you'll find interesting is on the right here you can click web. See, right now it shows web feed. But most people are actually on their phones on Facebook. And so if you click on mobile, you'll notice that it doesn't even get past our first line. So really the first line is the only really important line, and you can experiment with putting emojis. If you go to getmoji.com, you can copy and paste all the emojis. You might want to use maybe house, two houses, whatever you want to put. Headline, let's say we could put free list of price reduced homes. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. Again, get creative here. I'm literally just writing words right now based off of other ads. Let's see what else. We're going to save that. Add media. For some reason it puts in our office right here. I don't like that. I'll show you why. But if you go to add an image, upload an image, grab one. I'll grab this one. This is my best producing image of all time. It's an image of a home that I sold, and it's a nice little home, just cute little home, but people seem to like it and seem to click on it. So here's what I was talking about. So this little file here, the DBA logo, see where it is? It's right here covering up part of my image. I don't really want that there, so I'm just going to delete that. But this image I created actually using the Design Center in Command over here. I just uploaded the image of the home, and then I put a little red banner across the bottom and put list of price reduced homes. I've experimented with a red border or a little red price tag. You can experiment with things, but I have found that red something tends to help a lot. Save the ad media. Configure the ad itself. You're going to go to your account, which you should have already set up. If you haven't, that's a whole other topic. And select your page. Mine is the group at Keller, Marriott group at Keller Williams Realty. And so notice it's changed the top here. It's pulled the image from my page, which is just a red KW, and then my name of my page. Destination, we're going to click Use Facebook Lead Generation Form, which should be selected by default. The button call to action label is Learn More, also selected by default. Follow-up destination URL. This is where I would put your personal website or maybe the link to your KW Consumer app so you can further expand the consumer's experience. So in this case, I'm just going to put kw.com because I don't want to look up the link to my app right now. Target a custom audience. We want to do that. I'm going to put in where you are. So in this case, I'm in Southlake, Texas. And then we're going to lower this radius if you want to. The lowest you could make it is 15 miles. That's the new rule with Facebook for any home advertisement of any kind in the housing industry. It has to be a minimum 15-mile radius. Add or change interests. There's a couple options here. You can let Facebook figure it out. Facebook is pretty good at their algorithm. They will figure out where to send your ad. But I like to go ahead and add some interest because I've seen that it creates a slightly cheaper ad. The interests I've found to work well are Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, and one I've been recently experimenting with is mortgages. If someone's interested in a mortgage. And save those selections. That's it, guys. For the most part, you can edit your budget if you want to. Right now they recommend 10 days at $1 per day. That's pretty low, honestly. I would say at least $3 per day. Now this ad has generated anywhere from $1 to $3 leads, my experience. So keep that in mind. Depending on how many leads you want, you might have to crank up the price a little bit. But if you save duration ad and then you hit publish campaign, as soon as you hit create campaign, that's it. Your campaign is created. Hope you enjoyed this. As always, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and good luck.